Okay, so today we're working on this laser key for a 2001 Lexus LS430. As you can tell, key is just completely done. It's snapped in half. Blade is falling out of place. Dealership is charging $300 plus to replace this key. So here we're actually doing a new key, and it's actually an upgraded key. Also, it's a flip style key, which the dealership don't offer. So after this, she'll have a whole new set of keys at half the price of what the dealership is offering, and it's actually a better upgrade than what the dealership offers, because most of the times these keys tend to snap when you're turning it in the ignition, so it's always a good upgrade. Okay, so here we have the final product. This is the key that she came in with that was broken. Here's the upgraded key, which is a completely new set. So everything's on par, remote works, chip is programmed, key is cut, so everything has been done already. If you guys need any other services like this, you can always come see us at 2740 Eastern Mall in Columbus, Ohio 43232, or give us a call 614-867-6857. Thank you.